Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Make sure you check out the TipRanks new technical analysis chart to take a deeper dive into your favorite stocks. You can find the technical analysis graph under chart on the menu of your favorite stocks. Here you can look at a ton of different technical studies on the chart, view different chart types including the popular candle bar, and even look at unique TipRanks data, including the timing of analyst ratings. So go give the technical chart a try for your favorite stock and let us know what you think in the comments down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are actually in the green this morning, ahead of minutes from the Federal Reserve's latest meeting being released this afternoon. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.46%, S&P 500 futures up 0.63%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.83%. Intel is reportedly planning to downsize their workforce by up to 20%. In a report from Bloomberg, they said that they're planning to downsize their workforce by the end of October, and they're likely to announce layoffs during their third quarter earnings coming up on October 27th. The report underscores the difficulties that the semiconductor industry is facing on the back of supply shortages, trade restrictions, elevated costs, and high interest rates that are severely affecting investments. Analysts currently rate the Intel stock a hold with an average upside of 45%, and just within the last day, we've had a sell, a hold, and a buy rating all come in. With ongoing inventory issues, Nike is updating their sales policy, which could make the reselling of their popular shoes much more difficult. Nike currently dominates the resale market, with resellers charging high premiums for some of their limited releases, but they are now updating their policy related to reselling and automated ordering of their products, which will make reselling tough. Nike can now charge a restocking fee, may decline refunds, impose purchase quantity limits, and even suspend accounts of people who intend to resell them. Nike could also cancel orders placed using automated software. This comes as they're struggling with inventory issues, with their inventory standing at $9.7 billion at the end of Q1, showing year-over-year growth of 44%. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 26%. Meta Platforms has launched their advanced virtual reality headset, the Quest Pro. The headsets are priced at $1,500 and are powered by a Qualcomm processor. The company also announced a partnership with Microsoft where they'll integrate their Windows 365 and Teams, allowing users to join Teams meetings as a virtual avatar, and a partnership with Zoom, allowing their headset users to join Zoom calls as virtual avatars of themselves as well. Analysts currently rate the Meta Platform stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 63%. And Tractor Supply has received regulatory approval to proceed with their acquisition of Orscheln Farm and Home. The original terms of the deal were for Tractor Supply to pay $320 million to acquire 166 Orscheln Farm stores. However, to appease the FTC, they will just be acquiring 81 stores and divesting the remaining 85 to different buyers. The purchase price of the 81 locations will be approximately $238 million. The acquisition is expected to increase their revenue by $300 million and increase their diluted earnings per share by at least 10 cents. Analysts currently rate the Tractor Supply stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 18%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Duck Creek Technology, and tomorrow things start to pick up as we'll be hearing from Taiwan Semiconductors, Delta Airline, and BlackRock. In the pre-market this morning, we heard from Pepsi. Their quarterly results beat analyst expectations, and they increased their fiscal year guidance. Pepsi reported Q3 earnings per share of $1.97, coming in 12 cents ahead of analyst expectations. Revenue came in just shy of $22 billion, up nearly 9% year-over-year, and $1.15 billion ahead of expectations. They're now expecting a 12% increase in organic revenue versus their prior outlook of 10%. Analysts currently rate the Pepsi stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 12%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by No.B4 on reports that Vista Equity is nearing a deal to purchase them for $4.5 billion. Their stock trades under the ticker KNBE and is currently up 11.6%. They're followed by Foot Locker under the ticker FL, who's up 4.84%, and Dutch Brothers under BROS, up 4.74%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Cameco after making a deal with Brookfield Renewable for Westinghouse Electric. Under the ticker CCJ, their stock is down 11.46%. They're followed by the Philips stock under PHG, down over 8%, and Manchester United under MANU, down 4.3%. So that is going to be everything for your Wednesday pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to check out that technical chart on TipRanks and let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.